So the funny thing is, we're actually going to add this support and resistance indicator onto the chart a few times. We're going to add it on for each time frame that you're trading. So if you're on the weekly time frame, we're going to add it on. We want to see the support and resistance. We want to see the major levels in the market, right? We don't want to necessarily see all the weekly levels. We want to see the monthly support and resistance levels if you're on the weekly time frame. So only thing you'll do, you'll drag it onto the chart, right? You will go ahead and load up the preset values that I already have saved. Alrighty, let's see. Since I'm on the weekly time frame, I want the monthly support and resistance levels loaded onto the chart. I'm sorry, I did that wrong. Monthly, high, and I want to be able to see it on the weekly. That's how you do it. Hit OK. Boom. Now you see the monthly levels. Here on the weekly time frame, you see your monthly support and resistance levels. You see the age of the levels, how old the levels are. This level is from 3 years ago. You know, gives you a lot of good information in regards to the levels. Alrighty, so that's how you load it up for the weekly. So then you go to the daily. You're going to drag it onto the chart again. You're going to load this up for every time frame, right? You're going to drag it onto the chart, I should say. And you go ahead and put it on. Now, I want to see, since I'm on the daily time frame, I want to see weekly levels high. But where do I want to see it? I want to see it on the daily chart. Boom. There it is. Now, on the daily time frame, you get your weekly support and resistance levels. See that? Perfect levels, support and resistance. Alright, I go to the 4 hour. I'm going to drag it onto the chart again. Alright. Let me load up my preset values. I want to see the daily levels, and I want to see them on the 4 hour time frame. Just that easy. There it is. Now I see all my 4 hour levels, my daily levels on the 4 hour time frame. Make it look like something. Drag it down a little bit. There it is. There are my levels. Support and resistance levels. So, almost done. Now let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Let me drag it onto the chart again. I want to see my 4 hour levels. Where do I want to see them? On the 1 hour time frame. There it is. Alright. Now, for the 30, 15 minute, 5 minute, I do all the same levels for those. I do it all based on the 1 hour levels. Load. I want to see 1 hour levels, but I want to see them on the 30, 15, 5 minutes. Not saying that I trade these time frames, just in case. So now I'm looking at the levels, major levels, 1 hour. Guys, I use this indicator to avoid having to plot all of the support and resistance levels on every chart. Like I said, I trade over 30 pairs, so I usually work off the daily time frame. That's where I take my signals. And for me to have to go and plot support and resistance levels on every chart is very tedious. Very tedious, very time consuming. So to avoid that, I just created this template where it automatically plots the support and resistance levels on there for me. If you guys are interested in this template and getting a copy of this support and resistance indicator, shoot me an email. You can email me at the description, at the email address based in the description below this video. Yep. Support and resistance.